Hi, my name's Corey, and I'm over here at Janilink. Wanted to talk about our stripping pads today. First up, we've got our black stripping pads, really strong and reliable. Diamondback, even more aggressive, really strong. 3M High Pro, really well-known brand. And then we have our bulldozer pad. It's a very thin pad, but it's very aggressive. You'll want to use this with a black stripping pad or any other pad just to keep it close to the ground, so you'll always have that pressure. So if the wax you're using is really durable, like our 365 wax or Finish Job 35, you really only need to take off the top coat or maybe the second coat to fix those scratches. So that's when you would want to use this pad right here. Use it with water, and that's all you need. You don't need any special chemicals because it's that aggressive. Now the best stripper to use would be our bulldozer. It is loved by our customers in our Atlanta store. It's been used for many years. It's no rinse and no neutralizing. It has a high dilution ratio up to a 1:16. So it will save you a lot of time and it'll cut down costs for you.